I'm ready and this is how I look. The makeup is not that good, but काम चलाओ makeup ऐसे ही होता है. So I'm heading towards Bhavans Vidya Mandir, which is a school, one of the best schools in Agartala, for giving a health talk on mental health in general. So we will be reaching the school in a few minutes. I'm really excited that it will be my first ever like legit health talk as a psychiatry PG. I have given a health talk as a community medicine PG. So let's see how it goes. I hope I reach on time and everything is sorted. I just realized I forgot to eat my breakfast, which was prepared yesterday, and I didn't take anything except pantoprazole tablet. Damn nervous. I can't even explain. I didn't have any food.
About mental health. She will be giving
Yes. So finally done with the. Oh, this was the school I went to. Got some flowers and I came back and I'm talking to the mom. They've been asking me about how was my day and I've been looking good. It's fun to talk to them. Say hello. Hello bolo. Hello bolo. Video ले रही हूँ. I got this thank you note from the school. It was really hot outside and it was a beautiful experience, and I don't know how to describe this feeling. This is so pretty. Hope that these mental health programs through the seminars and workshops are done every year, in fact monthly, on monthly basis in all the schools, which will be really helpful to sensitize the students regarding mental health. बच्चों को ये सब जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and I hope there are sessions where parents and teachers and counselors they all sit together and can have such conversations regarding mental health and a lot more. बड़ी embarrassing चीज़ ये हुई कि I was with the principal और मैम मुझको एक सेल्फी बूथ दिखा रही थी जिसमें मेरा पूरा ध्यान उसी पे चला गया था, and I tripped on the pipeline. It was like I stepped on it and I was wearing little heels and मैं फट से गिर गई, and मेरे को अपने से ज़्यादा मेरे लैपटॉप की पड़ी थी because my entire thesis and everything, research papers and study material, my notes are there in the laptop. And then they were very quick. The PT teacher came immediately and he gave me like spray, and मुझे इतना problem नहीं हुआ, and I got medication as well before I went to stage. I will remember this. To be honest, I was a little nervous, but somehow I just spoke my heart out, and I guess this is the a way of understanding yourself, that how in what kind of situation how you need to enhance your public speaking skills. It was little different than talking to doctors or adults per se. Talking to school children is really different, what I have noticed. Like some are like listening to you, some are curious, some are simply sleeping. And what I really liked, that teachers were really involved in my conversation, because I was referring to them again and again that how teachers and counselors in the school can help with diagnosing or screening mental disorders and illnesses among children. It's very important, और ये अक्सर छूट जाता है, and बच्चों को फिर इसी वजह से बुली किया जाता है, and बच्चे डिप्रेशन और एंजाइटी का शिकार होते हैं. So I'm really happy that people enjoyed my session, and उससे बड़ी बात मैंने खुद बहुत इंजॉय किया बात करके. मैंने बहुत बढ़िया से मैंने बच्चों से सवाल पूछे. I gave them realistic and very relatable examples, and yes, I need to do a lot of improvement, but yeah, that's how we learn. So thank you so much to my HOD in charge sir Mrs. Pompey Majumdar ma'am, the headmistress of Bhavans Vidya Mandir School, to give me this opportunity to have faith in me that I can deliver such impactful speech to a bunch of स्टूडेंट्स या बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीच हो गई मेरी अभी. एंड आई जस्ट एंड एक और चीज़ जो मुझे बड़ी प्यारी लगी, दैट गोइंग टू बैक टू स्कूल, though it is not my old school, but it reminded me of my school days. It really amazes me that when I was in school, we never ever thought about mental health. We didn't knew what is mental health, what is a psychologist and psychiatrist, and this is how life teaches us about different stages of life. Like at one point we are just entering into the world, understanding things, and then later we are learning so much. And the love and respect which I have received was so overwhelming. And the imposter syndrome in me kind of, make me believe that I'm not worthy of things, I'm not worthy of love, respect and happiness. But you need to make yourself understand that world is beautiful, and you are not a victim of your circumstances or traumas, or how the negative people around surrounding you are impacting your mental health. You are much more than that. So this opportunity gave me a lot of confidence, and I hope I will instill this, especially in my academics and research work, and make my department consultants proud and my parents proud, and I will be really happy in my own eyes, be really proud of myself. That's the most important, that I have to have this feeling of self-love, which is sometimes lacking in me. But thank you so much. The first hour is always special. Well, I'm tired right now and I'll have the mishtis. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.